guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Henna Rose Creation. I hope you are well. Here we will learn how to apply henna. This will require some things like henna cone, one marker, one lead pencil, and one paper hand, and one marble plate. First of all, you will create your design on paper hand. After this, you will make your design on marble plate. With the help of marker and paper hand, you will trace a hand on marble plate for designing. You will make your design on marble plate until your hand is clean. I will make a video of a simple design every day. I do not want to put you in a long and wide practice. In the same way, you will submit your design with practice. Hope you guys like the video. Let's start our design.